Khwlwmkha Joto takhwk bwkhwk tai lamsogo ani o channelo faidi jeng tini haino hai nalejao nai ICAR ni hoite kaisa ketal job notification faimani ICAR ni full form ongkha Indian Council of Agricultural Research omongkha Lembucherra o tai Tripura nomo wak interview nai oboni bagai 22 September 11 am ni simi nugimano obongkha posting bumungrok tai obongkha naima project aboni pura obongkha qualification aboni pura obongkha age limit aboni pura obongkha salary rok jeng pula nugimano junior research fellow aboni bagai begji dong kaisano tai obongkha project ni mungrok tai oboni bagai qualification nangnai master degree in agriculture, plant breeding, biotechnology, genetics, plant physiology or relevant subject with 4 years, hike 5 years of bachelor degree. Candidate having a post-graduate degree in basic science with 3 years bachelor degree and 2 years master degree should have net qualification. Tai borok desirable nai candidate should have lab experience on molecular biology related works. Tai oboni bagai age limit ongkha 35 years for men tai 40 years for women. Obongkha salary 31,000 ke manai plus 8% HRA first year tai second year manai tai 35,000 plus 8% HRA third year thangai manai nai aboni pore posting bomongkha young professional-1 oboni bagai bo vacancy kaisano obongkha project nimung NICAR project physiology component oboni bagai qualification nangnai B.Sc in agriculture haike horticulture haike plant physiology haike plant biochemistry oboni bagai minimum 21 years tai maximum ka 45 years with relaxation as per rules oboni bagai salary janai 25,000 per month ke aboni pora next post nibo mongkha project assistant oboni bagai bo vacancy dongo kaisano project nibo mongkha DGR NEH component program on research and capacity building for promotion of ground in Tripura oboni bagai qualification nangnai M.Sc Agri in Agronomy haike soil science haike SWC haike crop sciences tai borok desirable nai 6 month experience in NRM and field related activities tai oboni bagai age limit nangnai minimum 21 years tai maximum ka 45 year with relaxation as per rules oboni bagai salary jangnai 15,000 per month ke fix takhwk bwkhwk nongnang tai sanamo chongo oboni bagai interview ngai 22nd September 2021 11 am ni simi tai boni interview ongnani address ongkha ICAR research complex for NES region Tripura center Lembucherra West Tripura takhwk bwkhwk norok jorani bisingono thangai sogodi all the best o job ning bagai tin bagai ashukno belai kheno hambai Khwlwmkha